I already went in. I mean, the lights are on. But anyway, guys, I'm here. I just arrived in Melbourne. I had a crazy day yesterday, 4 shoots in one day, and I had an early morning flight today. But yeah, before I tell you why I'm here in Melbourne, let me unpack and get settled in. So I took a quick power nap. I barely nap, honestly. I just wanted to lay down, get some rest because I had a long day. So I'm here in Melbourne today to shoot for an old friend, and it's actually couples photography for her and her husband. She also has a business that she's running and she wants some photos for that too. So the agenda for today is, before we head to that, I need to find the cable for my action camera because I totally forgot to bring it. So I might head out to like JB Hi-Fi or something and yeah, grab some lunch. I haven't eaten anything all day, all morning. Before I head out, I want to take you on a quick room tour or apartment tour. So yeah, this is pretty much the living space. Super open. You've got the kitchen right here. Little dining table, living space. The TV looks quite outdated. Bathroom is alright. Nothing too crazy. Sorry, it's a bit messy. But yeah, that's it. You do have a really nice balcony though with the view. Pretty happy about that. Look at that. Definitely should spend some time there if I wake up early. We've got a little study corner here, so can definitely do some work here, or the couch. I'll probably choose the couch. And yeah, so here is the bedroom. So it's really awesome how they've got massive windows in the bedroom, the balcony. I'll head out, gotta grab food, gotta grab a cable if I can, and head on to the shoot later. Let's go. I'm grabbing my usual favorite Japanese. I'm gonna have to eat this really quickly before I go on the shoot. I don't know how long the shoot's gonna be, so definitely we're grabbing some food, getting some energy, and be fully prepared and present for it. So yeah, keen to eat. Whereabouts are you?
Right opposite to 1921 building.
Hey mate. Sorry for the confusion.
Otherwise, I would have come from the on the.
Yeah. No stress. Alright guys, so I finally arrived at the destination. I'm just waiting for, you'll see. Maybe in the meantime I'll walk around and scout out the area. totally forgot to update you guys, but I'm here at Higher Ground in Melbourne. I've been here since about 12:30, just had late lunch, currently working on my laptop, getting through edits, photos mainly. I think I might roam around the city in a bit. No real plans today, just whatever happens. Yeah, haven't been to Melbourne in a while, so pretty exciting. So I've just finished up eating, a bit of working as well at the Higher Ground, Melbourne. I think I'm gonna go around the malls, see what I can. No, I'm not gonna buy anything, but just roam around the city for a bit, hey. So I finally made it out at night, well rested today, pretty chill. So, well, yeah, a bit of work as well. So I'm meeting up with a couple of old friends that I got to travel the Philippines with 3 years ago during GAT, the Great Adventure Tour. But yeah, keen to see them. It's been a long time.
You know how far his house is? Like,
I told him like 1 hour.
yeah.
That's it? Oh my god. So I met up with Kenneth and Ian. You might have remembered Ian from a vlog 3 years ago.
You fell down the
I wasn't even thinking about that. Oh my god. Ian. Oh my god, how'd you end up there? Is it heavy as heck?
It's heavy. I'm gonna carry it from the...
oh here.
Oh look!
Makitulong naman.
Makatulong naman. Salamat, thank you.
Paano to?
Alright, salamat. Yay!
Sige, salamat ah. But he joined me on a trip to El Nido last minute. Messaged him just today, and Kenneth, and they're so down. So yeah, it's good to catch up with a few old mates.